Hello everyone, it's me and I'm back on my bullshit. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm creating this really cute electric green yellow look. If you want to see me drench myself in Fenty Beauty's highlighter and trophy wife, then just keep on watching. So starting off, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Primer stick and I'm just applying that as usual and then blending it out with my finger. Then going into the ColourPop Yes Please palette, I'm taking the shade Mischief, I think that's the shade. And I'm also taking Sugar Pearl's Pressed Eyeshadow and Buttercup Cake. And I'm going to be taking that on my Morphe 441 brush and I'm patting that on my lid. Just because I didn't set my eyelid with any powder or anything like that, so the colors can show up more vibrant. I'm just patting it on, and then once I get enough product on, I will swipe it in back and forth motions. Then taking my Sonia Kashuk number 109 brush and cleaning up the edges. Then taking Sugar Pearl's Pressed Eyeshadow in Acid Berry, I'm picking up my base shadow brush from Real Techniques and I'm just focusing that into my crease. And yeah, just going back and forth and making sure to build up this color so I can get the intensity that I want. Now I'll be taking this pressed eyeshadow from Sugar Pill in the shade Midori. And I'm going to pick up my Real Techniques. I think this is like a detail brush. I can't remember, but I'll leave it down in the description box below. And I'm going to be taking that into the outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to be dragging it into the crease because I want this to be really prominent, you know, like I just want this to be really deep into my socket, or I want it to look deep into my socket. So I'm just taking that also in the inner half of my eye. And yeah, just blending that in with the Acid Berry shade that we used earlier. So now to cut my crease, I'll be using the Kat Von D concealer in Whiteout, and she's real thick. Like, I don't know, I don't remember it being this thick. But yeah, so I'm using like a e.l.f. concealer brush and I'm just trying to attempt to cut it. This is a really messy cut crease, I'm just warning you guys now, so please don't, you know, sass me or insult me. This concealer was just not working with me. So I just ended up blending out that edge with my finger, and then I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm actually going to use this to help me further cut the crease. So I'm patting and swiping, and it actually helped a lot, so thank God for that. So here she is in all of her glory. This is the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Highlighter and Trophy Wife, and I'm gonna give you a swatch. Ugh, this is so good, it looks so good. And I'm taking my Morphe 433 brush, and I'm patting that on, and then I realized this brush was too fluffy and thick, so I switched to a Wet n Wild flat brush. Again, I'll leave everything as usual in the description box down below. So going back in with Acid Berry, and then I'm also going to go back in with Midori just to blend that outer corner all together and make it look all clean and neat. So now taking my LA Splash Pro Artist Waterproof Liner in Alabaster, and I'm starting off my wing as I always do. I always make the line first and then I go in the lid. Yeah, that makes sense. That totally makes sense. I go in on the lid. And make sure you have enough product on the liner. That way you can avoid getting those really ugly, jaggedy lines like what's happening to me right now. And also, take your time if you plan on using this liner because she's waterproof, so she's not going anywhere. So yeah, just take your time, make sure enough product is on the brush, and try not to breathe because doing eyeliner on camera is like the worst thing in the world. This is one of my favorite white liners though, just because it doesn't crack or anything like that. So here she is. This is the eye look completed, and now we'll be moving on to the face makeup. So for primer, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Primer. I'm just going to be applying that. And then for foundation, I will be going in with the Pro Filter Foundation in 150, and then the Conceal and Perfect Foundation from Milani in 02. And I'm just going to be mixing those two on my face, but I bought the wrong shade of the Fenty primer, so this is not my shade. This is like way too pale. That's why I have to mix it with the Milani one. But yeah, I will be applying that with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige. And I'm just going to use that to hide my dark circles. And then I'm going in with the NYX one in 04. And I'm taking that down my nose. And then I'm taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in 20. And the number 20, I don't remember the name of the shade. You don't need to be like me and use like 500 concealers. I was just trying to do the most. I don't know why. And then taking my beauty blender to blend everything out. Taking my new favorite face powder, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fairlight. And this powder's so good. Like, it's so fine in texture and it's just so soft. And yeah, but I'm just placing that and setting it and then removing whatever excess remains on my face with a brush. So taking the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer. Why did I say it like that? I'm just taking my BH Cosmetics number 2 brush from the Crystal Quartz set that I like so much. And I'm taking it down my jaw. Then I'm taking the NYX Powdered Blush in Dusty Rose. And I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics number 1 brush from the same set to apply it. So going in again with Trophy Wife, I will be using my Morphe R36 brush. And I was shook. Like, you could see me like, oh damn, like I forgot how pigmented this is on the face. But I think the trick to using this is just making sure that you really blend it into the skin so you don't have a harsh line. And then I took that on my chin. I'm taking it on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and I like to take it above my eyebrows as well. These are basically all of the places that I like to apply highlighter to make me look healthy and dewy. So for lips, I got lazy and I just thought it would look cute if I applied Trophy Wife on my lips and then just use an e.l.f. clear lip gloss and just, yeah, mix those two together. I mean, it's up to you what lip you want. I think this would go good with like peachy nude. That's just me, but I was lazy, so don't be like me. And yeah, just match this with whatever lip you want. And then I'm setting everything with my Mario Badescu spray. And that completes the look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the fact that I did a full face look. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.